Hi folks, this is your MWIS Fleeting View with your mountain outlook for the next few days. It's going to be a wild one across the tops on Wednesday with severe gales across the Scottish Highlands, gusts in excess of 70 miles per hour across the tops during the day, and gale force winds across the tops in northern England as well, gusts in excess of 50 miles an hour and 40 miles per hour or so around Snowdonia as well, lower wind speeds going further southwards. So a difficult day across higher terrain, many western hills also shrouded in low cloud, and with a front trailing across Scotland, some rain as well. That focused on the west and northwest highlands, drizzlier and patchier across more central and eastern regions, and essentially dry, barring patchy drizzle across western hills of England and Wales. Now those wind speeds will ease as we go into Thursday. Still blustery across northern mountains in Scotland, but lower speeds overall. We'll have a mixture of low cloud and some drizzly conditions in the morning, and for western hills in Scotland, where a warm front drifts in off the Atlantic, that rather murky, damp atmosphere is going to be in place much of the day. Some lifting though of the cloud inland and further eastwards, and for England and Wales also, early banks of cloud should tend to lift and break above many of the high tops. For Friday, it looks a breezy day again across the Highlands. We've got a general westerly flow in charge once more, with a train of fronts just drifting through, and that once again producing some rain, some drizzle and low cloud around western and northwestern regions in particular. Some patchy drizzle extending inland, with cloud covering the hills for periods, but higher bases towards the more eastern mountains in the Highlands. I suspect more western areas, though, stuck with the low cloud across the hills through the day. For England and Wales, a little bit of drizzle locally around some low cloud, which may persist in places during the morning, but that should lift and break as we go onwards through the daytime, feeling warm where any sunshine comes through. Our first glimpse at the weekend sees high pressure nearby and a fair weather story for many, but still the problem with some areas of low cloud being dragged around from the Atlantic, and that may cover many western hills early in the day, will tend to lift and break for many, although northwest Scotland could still struggle with some patchy drizzle at times. Here we'll have a general westerly breeze, but will feel reasonably warm where any sunshine does break through. For Sunday, high pressure is in charge, and with lighter winds overall, we should see many of the mountain areas free of low cloud. A few early patches just around some of the hills. Northwest Scotland the most prone still to seeing a few banks drifting around off the Atlantic. It will feel increasingly warm and quite humid by this stage. Check all your local details for 3 days ahead on our website. That is your Fleeting View. Thanks for watching.